Howdy everyone, and welcome to you, or welcome back to the channel if you're a regular viewer. Always good to have your company. Alright, so in this video, we're going to be going over the proprietary trading firms that were essentially leading the way and stood out in our opinion throughout July as some of the best prop firms in the industry over the last month. Now every month we do an extensive research across the broader industry regarding reputable and trustworthy prop firms, so you don't have to. And we've compiled these firms into a list of top 10 for the month of July, so you can see who's been leading the way in our eyes, what they're all about, and that's what we're going to dive into in this video. Now, before we really jump in, these rankings are based on our personal experiences with these companies, as well as considering feedback from the broader trading industry and community. As always though, do your own due diligence when you're looking into getting funded by a prop firm. And one other thing, we won't be going into depth on each firm listed. We'll be here all day. We'll give you a very brief overview of each firm. Now, just so you're aware, all our in-depth reviews on each prop firm that are listed is on the website and on the YouTube channel here, so you can check those ones out. All right, without further ado, let's dive in, take a look at the top 10 prop firms for the month. As always, stick around until the end of the video. We've got exclusive discount codes from all the featured firms that we covered today that I'm sure you won't want to miss. So let's jump into our roundup of the top 10 proprietary trading firms for July of 2025. All right, starting off our July rankings at number 10 is the ever consistent E8 Markets, a very respected prop trading firm founded back in November 2021 and headquartered out of Dallas, Texas. The firm has made a name for itself with flexible and trader-focused approaches. Now, they offer a variety of funding programs, as we can see here. As mentioned, we're not going in depth with all these funding programs. We've done that on separate review videos, which you can check out. But with three unique challenges, there's account sizes ranging from $5,000 all the way up to $500,000 with additional scaling plans built in. So traders can really choose a program that best aligns with their strategies and ambitions. Now, to ensure a high quality and realistic trading experience, the firm partners with a tier 1 liquidity provider, and that offers simulated real trading conditions. Traders can also operate on advanced platforms such as MatchTrader, CTrader, and TradeLocker, all equipped with powerful tools to support performance and execution. Now, there's plenty more to go over here on the website. Again, check out the in-depth reviews, but we're going to make this very succinct on each firm. So we're going to jump over and have a look at the broader community sentiment as well. Now, for E8 Markets, they've had over 2,700 reviews at the time of recording and a great average score. As always, do your due diligence, go through, have a look at the good, the bad, and everything in between. But overall, the sentiment is very, very good. Lots of positive reviews around the intuitive platform, responsive customer service, and really reinforces E8 Markets' position as a reliable choice in the prop trading world. All right, moving on to 9th spot for the month is Fexify. Now, Fexify is a dynamic and growing prop trading firm founded in May 2023, and they are based out of London, UK, and they've quickly built over the last couple of years a very solid reputation by offering flexibility and transparency to traders around the globe. So the firm also offers a wide range of funding programs, including a 2-step challenge, 2 different 1-step challenges. There's also a 3-step challenge and instant funding. So account sizes are ranging anywhere from $1,000 up to $400,000 depending on your evaluation stages. And this is really catering to traders at all levels. Now, once again, we're not going in depth on these programs, but to ensure that their traders have a reliable trading environment, the firm partners with FXPIG. Now, FXPIG is its own brokerage provider, and this allows the traders who can choose between very reputable platforms such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and DXTrade. So all the robust features that you need and the tools to have great performance and strategy execution. So I know I'm kind of skipping over the website here. There's lots to go through, but we're going to check out this community aspect and see what the broader sentiment looks like for Fexify. As we can see from over 3,500 reviews at this point in time, overall the sentiment is very, very good. As always, go through and have a look at everything in between. But overall, again, lots of positive reviews. We also love seeing that the firm is jumping in it's giving feedback, it's responding to the comments, and that shows that they're there and they're wanting to create longevity and a great peace of mind for their trading base. So Fexify regularly finding themselves on our list, and once again for the month of July, they are doing so. All right, coming in next at number 8 is iFunds. This is a rising prop trading firm founded and incorporated in March 2024, and they are based out of St. Lucia. Now, despite being one of the newer firms in the industry, iFunds has quickly gained attention for its straightforward and high capital funding approach. Now, the firm offers a single instant funding program with account sizes ranging anywhere from $2.5 all the way up to a very impressive $500,000. This is designed for traders who want to bypass traditional evaluations and start trading immediately. Just opinion here, but maybe not necessarily designed for the absolute beginner, even though there is a beginner program here, given that you are immediately accessing capital. Now, iFunds also delivers a seamless experience for their traders, though, backed by a tier 1 liquidity provider, and traders operate exclusively on the very trusted and well-regarded MetaTrader 5 platform. And if you've heard me talk about it before, you know that MetaTrader 5 has all the tools, reliability, and global recognition. So a great sign that iFunds is giving a great experience there. Now, there's lots more to cover. Again, we have in-depth reviews on all of these firms. So let's jump over to the broader community sentiment and see how people are feeling about the firm. Now, a little bit limited in terms of reviews here. They haven't been around for a long time, but overall, as we can see, the vast majority of the reviews they have received has been 5-star. And once again, the firm is in there. It's providing their input, their feedback on the reviews. So that's always very important, especially on the negative ones. Go through, do your due diligence, but overall, the sentiment so far for iFunds is very, very good. All right, moving on to 7th spot for the month, and that is Top Tier Trader. A top tier, pardon the pun, well-established prop trading firm founded back in October 2021, and they're based out of beautiful Florida, USA. Now, the firm has become known for its structured and scalable funding programs, and the traders who work with the firm can choose from 2 different 2-step challenges or a 1-step challenge. And this is giving you opportunity to operate with accounts ranging from $5,000 up to $300,000. Now, each program includes scaling opportunities, so there is a pathway for traders to grow their capital as you demonstrate consistency, most importantly. Now, to support optimal trading conditions, Top Tier Trader partners with a tier 1 liquidity provider as well, and this is delivering simulated real trading environments. You can use Trade Locker platform. Trade Locker, very well regarded as a clean interface and great tools that ensure you have great execution speed and strategy development. Again, lots more to cover here on the website that we've done in depth, so I'm going to direct you to the links and the reviews for Top Tier Trader. But let's have a look at the broader community sentiment. Over 4,000 reviews at the time of recording and being able to maintain a very solid overall median score, so that's always a good sign. Once again, go through, have a look at all of the reviews here, the good, the bad, and everything in between. But I saw a few comments praising the firm's fairness, their transparency, smooth user experience, straightforward process. So it really does reinforce Top Tier Trader's position as a reliable and trader-focused firm in the broader prop trading space. All right, moving on next, we have Holler Prime. Holler at me if you're using Holler Prime. Let us know in the comments below. Now, they've become a globally recognized prop trading firm. They've only been in the industry for about 12 months since August of 2024, and they are operating out of Hong Kong, Dubai, Cyprus, India, and the UK. So they're doing something right. Now, they bring a strong international footprint to the prop trading space. They are offering a wide selection of funding programs, and this is including 2 different 2-step challenges. There is 2 1-step challenges and an instant funding option as well. Account sizes ranging anywhere from $5,000 all the way up to $300,000. And this is giving traders ample flexibility to choose a path that aligns with their strategies and their risk tolerance. Now, in terms of technology, again, I know I'm skipping through a few things here, but you can trade on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, DXTrade, CTrader, and MatchTrader. And they partner with a tier 1 liquidity provider to ensure those simulated real trading conditions as well. So lots of great tech, lots of great platforms offering robust tools and performance optimization. Let's jump over, have a look at the broader community sentiment and see how they're feeling about Holler Prime in their first 12 months. About 240 reviews at this point in time. So overall, the sentiment is very, very good, but go through, do your due diligence and have a look. But overall, Holler Prime making some really good moves in the industry, and we anticipate that to continue to grow. All right, we're about halfway through for the month, and this is the next firm coming in at number 5, FundPro, a very well-regarded prop trading firm. Been in the industry for over 2 years, since February 2023, and they're based out of Malta. Now, FundPro has built a reputation for offering structured and trader-friendly funding programs. So they offer two-step challenges and a one-step challenge. A little bit different in the way they're structured, but account sizes ranging from $5,000 up to $200,000. And the programs are designed to accommodate a wide range of traders, also offering scalable opportunities for those looking to grow their account through consistent profitability. Now, to ensure a realistic and stable trading environment, FundPro partners with a tier 1 liquidity provider, which is a very common theme, as you probably already noticed, and this delivers simulated real trading conditions. Traders can operate on very popular and well-regarded platforms such as MetaTrader 5, TradeLocker, and CTrader. And once again, that offers all the advanced tools and efficient execution and analysis that you could possibly want. Once again, go through, have a look at our in-depth review where we break down the funding feasibility for FundPro. But let's have a look at the broader sentiment. From nearly 1,000 reviews, they have a very, very good median overall score. Again, everything in between, good, bad, and lots in the middle. So go through, do your due diligence. I always like to see the prop firm just taking those little 1% moments and responding to some comments, but go through, again, have a look for yourself and make your own judgments. But overall, FundPro, they're doing great things in the industry and firmly on our list once again. All right, securing 4th spot on our July rankings is FTMO, a trailblazing, pioneering, innovating prop trading firm that has been in the industry since September 2015, so coming up just about at the time of recording on 10 years in the industry, which is a fantastic achievement. Based out of Prague, Czech Republic, they've become one of the most recognized names in the entire prop trading space. Now, they offer a single, very well-structured funding program. This is a 2-step challenge, and it has account sizes ranging from $10,000 to $200,000. Now, with built-in scaling opportunities and a clear evaluation criteria, FTMO provides a very structured and reliable path for traders to not only prove their skills, but also grow and manage substantial capital. Now, to ensure professional grade execution, FTMO partners with a tier 1 liquidity provider as well. Traders can choose from a variety of industry-leading platforms such as MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, CTrader, and DXTrade. Again, lots more to go through here on the website, but you can see all of the platforms ready and visible right there. Let's jump over to the broader community sentiment over here on Trustpilot. And well, if the amount of reviews and the median score can speak volumes, then it certainly does. Near perfect score from over 25,000 reviews. And that essentially says everything you need to know. Now, of course, I'm not going through and reading 25,000 reviews for you, but let 92% of 5-star reviews speak for the firm's longevity, the success they've had, and why they've been at the forefront of the industry for so many years. All right, we're into our top 3 for the month of July, and coming in next is FundedNext, a fast-growing prop trading firm founded in March 2022, and they're based out of Dubai, UAE. They've quickly become, in that period of time, a major force in the prop trading industry by offering a comprehensive range of funding options, including two-step challenges, a one-step challenge, and an instant funding program with very reasonable and feasible funding program opportunities. Now, account sizes range from $5,000 to $200,000, very industry standard. As traders, you can access top-tier platforms such as MT4, MT5, CTrader, and MatchTrader, so you get everything you need in terms of tools and analysis for precision trading. And overall, FundedNext is doing phenomenal things in the industry, creating a lot of great success stories. So let's jump over and have a look at the broader community, see if they tend to agree with us. Quite mind-boggling to see that they've got nearly 40,000 reviews and still a median score of 4.6. So very similar to FTMO. I think the reviews and the broader community sentiment really speaks volumes to the success they've had in the industry. Not everyone's out here to be positive, of course, but worth taking into consideration. Overall, though, the sentiment in the industry is very positive for Funded Next and for very good reason. All right, we're into the top 2, and taking second spot on our July rankings is the 5 Percenters, a highly respected prop trading firm founded back in January 2016. So another firm coming up on the 10-year anniversary of operation, which is an incredible achievement. Now they have offices in Renana, Israel, and London, and they've earned a strong global presence and reputation for reliability and trustworthiness. Now they offer a range of flexible funding programs. There's a 2-step, a 3-step, instant funding options as well. Your account sizes will range anywhere from $5,000 all the way up to $250,000. So this gives traders multiple entry points and opportunity as well to scale over time. Lots of reasons why they have a big clientele base and have very successful track record with traders as well in terms of the way they present themselves and they handle trading. Now the firm operates with a tier 1 liquidity provider, and of course this delivers simulated real trading conditions, and traders access the industry standard MT5 platform for its stability, speed, and professional grade tools, everything you need there. Now we're going to jump over and check out this because, as always, you want to look at the broader community sentiment. And from over 16,000 reviews, a near perfect score of 4.9 over that period of time, which again speaks volumes about the success and the reputation and recognition they've been able to deliver in the industry. So go through, have a look, but overall, lots of positive reviews here for the 5 Percenters, and we anticipate that to continue. They are an absolute trailblazer and always finding themselves at the pointy end of our list. And once again, claiming top spot in our July rankings is FundingPips, a forward-thinking prop trading firm that's been operating trader funding since August 2022, so 3 years in the industry at the time of recording now. They're headquartered out of Dubai, UAE, and they have rapidly gained global attention for innovation and a trader-first approach. Now, the firm offers a diverse range of funding programs, just like a lot of the firms we've covered today. And now this includes 2 different 2-step challenges. You also have a 1-step challenge and an instant funding option. Account sizes range anywhere from $5,000 up to $100,000. Built-in scaling opportunities as well to support traders as they grow, so you can get your hands on more capital. FundingPips is another firm that ensures you have realistic and efficient execution through a tier 1 liquidity provider. And they also use platforms MetaTrader 5, MatchTrader, and CTrader. No need to say too much more in terms of why they use those platforms or why they're having success. We've done in-depth reviews on FundingPips in the past as well, so make sure you check that out. But let's wrap this one up by looking at the broader community sentiment. And there's no surprise that the top firms have the top scores on Trustpilot. Over 27,000 reviews, most of those being 5 stars. And that speaks again volumes about the firm and the positive sentiment they've been able to garner in the industry over a long period of time. So once again, go through, do your due diligence, take a look. But overall, FundingPips, there's a reason they've been at the top spot on our list for many months now. They're doing phenomenal things in the industry, and we anticipate them to remain at the forefront for a very long time to come. Well, that concludes our month of July ranking of the top 10 prop trading firms. Again, we've based this ranking on our own first-hand experiences with these companies and what they've been doing in the industry of late. If any of the highlighted firms piqued your interest, we really encourage you to look at our in-depth reviews available on the website and on the YouTube channel here, as we mentioned. And you can find direct links to these reviews in the description below, along with those exclusive discount codes for each prop trading firm that we covered today. So make sure you get your hands on those. And as well, don't hesitate to share some of your feedback, or if you have a different perspective on any of the prop trading firms mentioned. We always love to hear your input, so jump into the comments below. And before we wrap up, if you found this video insightful and hopefully enjoyable, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. And by doing so, you'll receive timely updates when we release more videos about everything prop trading and the entire industry. All right, great to have your viewership, guys. We appreciate it. Happy and successful trading, and I'll see you on the next one.